What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a remedy that would help you to remove your belly fat. Well, this remedy is natural and it does not have any side effects. The only thing for you to do is to prepare it and take it, give it a little time, and try to avoid some food that is actually making you fat. Okay, because when you take this home tea and then you still go back to your junk food, your Sprite or Coke or this, man, I don't know how that is going to work, because I mean, it's just going to, this is actually going to tell the fats, no, we're not going anywhere, and you're going to be taking this other natural belly fat tea, and the fat is gonna be like, let's go out, and this is gonna be like, no, we're not going anywhere. You know, that, see the little drama there? That is what is going to be happening when you take this. So kind of avoid this. I'm not saying don't buy it, but I mean, avoid it if you're aiming to get rid of belly fat. Okay, so having said that, let me show you a very natural, healthy and homely prepared remedy. Know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Drop your comments below, and now let's dive into this video. So you're gonna be needing garlic for this remedy, guys. Now this is just gonna help you a whole lot, because this is one natural remedy that helps to burn down fat. It goes deep into your body, and then it also detoxify your body. It helps to cure heart disease, it helps for lungs, it helps for kidney disease and all of that. So you need this a whole lot. So I'm going to be opening it up. No matter the quantity of garlic you take, it's actually not too much, okay, because the body needs it so well. Okay, I'm gonna transfer this into a cup. So here you have it. So we're gonna be needing ginger also for this remedy, because it works with garlic to get rid of belly fat, like stubborn belly fat. Okay, it will help in removing all fats and all stored fat. It also helps to reduce your weight, and it helps you function really well. And I'm also going to be taking just a little piece of the ginger. I'm going to prepare it, remove all of the peel. We're just going to cut. properly blended. And then apple cider vinegar, natural home remedy that works so well in detoxifying your body. It helps for colon blockage. It also helps for removing unwanted worms and parasites in your stomach, and it also helps to reduce or remove belly fats. So you're gonna be putting in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, water to fill the glass. You can either drink it this way if you can, with all of the chaff, but if you can't, you can just strain it out, just like what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm just going to turn it back into the bowl, into the cup. Also going to be needing honey, guys. Okay, honey is a natural sweetener, so when you use honey in this tea, it's going to make it work even better, because it is not a normal sugar that's stored fat, but this actually works in removing fat. So instead of heat storing fat, it would help to flush out all of the fat in your system. And then pour in 1 tablespoon of honey. And this is how it's going to look like. And now we're just going to stir it all up. This in the morning and in the evening, okay, for approximately 2 weeks, and all of your belly fats will be gone, guys. Like, you're not even going to have fat anymore, but you have to put in a little bit of work by avoiding some food like fat. Wow, this tastes sweet because of the honey, a little pepperish because of the ginger, and I can't even feel the apple cider vinegar flavor at all. You guys know apple cider vinegar used to taste really awkward, but mixing it up here makes it taste really nice. Go prepare this and just taste it and see. It tastes really nice. It doesn't taste bad at all, and this is actually going to help you guys, but you have to put in more work, just like I earlier said, like avoiding some food. Okay, do not take Sprite at all, do not take Coca-Cola, do not take packaged juice, just take natural juice if you must. Okay, alright guys, so that's it. When you avoid taking Sprite, Coke and soda and packet juice, you are going to begin to see a huge result, and your result is going to be so enormous. Okay, and this is actually very simple. It's not something you can hardly find. Okay, so go try it and let me know, and give it time to work before you come back to comment. Okay, so I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless. Bye guys, and mwah.